everyone, welcome back to another one of Faithlyn Foods Variety recipe. Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I make kale salad. This salad is lit. Okay, it is lit. It tastes good, and I would like for you to try the recipe, guys, because this kale salad, look at it, it's looking like callaloo. It's finely chopped and it is so delicious. Okay guys, and we should always remember that our salad is very important. So guys, this is the kale I'm working with. Organic red boar kale. They have black kales, all kinds of kale. Okay guys, and kale is very healthy, cruciferous vegetable. And you know, it's good to make a kale. You can make kale salad in order to get a detox, right? Your kale smoothie. Kale is good for you. And yeah, but I find kale is like coarse, like, you know, all of us do. It's coarse, and it's, if you don't prepare it properly, then you're not going to enjoy the kale, right? The leaves are when you're having it raw. So yeah, this part is very, like, it's strong. It has a strong taste, the stem. So I'm going to remove the stem. You can remove it this way, guys. Just pull along, right? Pull along, and then, yeah, there it is. And these pieces I'm not going to throw them away. Okay, you can and sometimes when you're pulling it, I find, you know, this piece is left behind, so you can also cut the kale. If you don't want to pull it, you can cut it this way. I'll show you. You put a piece of your kale, one of your kale here, guys, leaves, and then you cut along the stem here, right? If you don't want to pull it back, because sometimes you're pulling it and that part is you have to like pull twice. Yeah, so you can cut it, you know, the leaves away from the stem. And then you don't throw this away. This piece can go in soup or, you know, smoothie. Yeah, so that's basically what you do. Either you cut or you hold it and pull. Just pull the leaves. You kind of do like that, because if you pull, it's gonna break. Yeah, like that. And if you don't want to peel this piece, then this piece is okay, you know, because we're gonna have it raw in a salad, so you get rid of that. And that's what I'm gonna do for the kale. And then I'm gonna wash. Small amount of salt, cold water, and wash. Wash and rinse 3 times, guys. Make sure your, you know, vegetable is very clean. Clean it properly. And then I'm going to spin dry. And spin dry your salad, guys. And then now I'm going to try and stack the leaves on top of each other so I can cut them all at once. So, you know, just stack your leaves on top of each other. And then I'm going to kind of roll it and cut them, because the finer it is, the better for me, because kale is not something that is, you know, tastes good if it's not prepared properly in the form of a salad. Or if it's, for me, I like when it's cut, you know, the finer the better, chopped finely. And then I'm going to kind of roll like this, roll this way. You stack them all up, roll it, and then you watch your finger on the knife, depending on how sharp your knife is, and then you cut them fine, very fine, for me at least. I like them really fine, guys. As well as I can go like this in the center, cut it long lengthwise, and then cut again. Yep, because I want to enjoy the salad. And guys, I think I saw an article where it says that kale it has more iron than beef, or I guess it was talking about per serving, beef and milk. Alright, so kale is a very good cruciferous vegetable. It's healthy, and there's so many things you can do with it. You won't like it if you don't, see, it's finely chopped. You won't like it if you don't prepare it properly. Zoom in there. See how fine my kale is, guys? I like when they're finely chopped. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing with all of them. And if you want to go in and still cut some more, you could, you know, chop it up very fine. And then I'm gonna pour oil on this. You can either use olive oil or avocado oil, whatever you have available, or coconut oil, whichever oil you prefer. So guys, I'm gonna open this can of corn, crisp corn, but I don't like to use it straight from the can. I'm gonna open it and pour it onto some warm water I have, hot water. And I'm gonna be using pomegranate, okay? I opened my pomegranate and I squeezed in the pomegranate. And a good way to get it out, guys, is you're gonna beat the pomegranate with a knife. You know, here's the other half. You beat it, make it soft, or choose a soft pomegranate, and then you squeeze it out. So I'm gonna be using the juice. You know, the pomegranate gives it a bit of a crunch. But for now, I'm gonna, before I open the can of corn, I'm gonna add some olive oil. You can add avocado oil, grapeseed oil. You know, if you wanna measure it, you know, if you're watching your intake of oil, you measure it. I'm gonna pour, yeah, just pour enough to, you know, drizzle all over, not too much. Like if you want to put a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons or even a teaspoon of olive oil, so that it, you know, the kale can soften up. In the meantime, this thing that the olive oil comes out, guys, it's very small, that little, what do you call it, spout. Yeah. So then I put the olive oil on, and then I'm going to open the can of corn and put it in the hot water and then get back. So guys, I wash my hands and I'm going to rub in the oil, you know, massage the oil into the salad here. Because, you know, kale is very coarse and you want it to taste, you know, good to have a, you want it to be appealing to your taste bud. So you massage it in here with your hand. By squeezing it, rub it in the oil. Yep. Looks good. Looks rich and healthy. Okay guys, I'm gonna wash my hands and then add the rest of the stuff. The garlic I'm gonna chop is this much. When the garlic is in the state, like, I don't like too much of it. Okay, you can chop it finer, you know, whatever amount you want to put, but not a lot, like a teaspoon. And then I jewel in red and yellow bell pepper to give my salad color. And I lick the kale off my hand. And there's a corn. Not too much corn, right? Because I'm making a corn salad. Just to give my salad some color. And it's also good for you. And then here is the pomegranate. I think I'm going to put the pomegranate. I don't want too much of the liquid. I'll taste it first and then add the liquid onto it maybe after. Maybe add a tablespoonful of the liquid. I might add the rest later, but let me just put, you know, the salt and pepper first. So yeah, pepper to taste. The choice is yours. How much salt you wanna measure it, sprinkle, not too much. That's probably enough. Yeah, no more salt. because you have to be careful of how your salt is shaking out to your whatever you're using, right? And guys, look, this looks really good. I'm gonna put some more corn. Actually, my corn, guys, I put it in the pot. I warmed this corn, okay, because I don't like to use the corn directly from the can, right? So I just boil some water and pour it onto it, and then I don't cook it, just keep it there in the hot water for, yeah, and then put some more corn. So, you know, you let it cool a bit. It's a bit warm, the corn, but it's okay. So this much onion, guys, right? Like maybe you should measure a tablespoon or 2. Yeah, and onion is very potent, it's strong, so. And then you toss it. This salad smells so good. I guess this guy, the salad is gonna be lit. I have beet here. I'm just gonna shred. There's 2 shreds of beet. A little bit of beet. If you want more beet, you could put. And then the carrot. Just a little bit, guys. You know. And the carrot, the beet overpowers the carrot. You can hardly see the carrot. And then the lemon zest. Lemons. Not a lot of the lemon this guys, and some lemon, half of a lemon juice. Looks good. But I think I'm gonna put more corn, guys. So I use like half to 3/4 of the can of corn. Then you toss it up, and the salad is delicious. Let me taste it. So guys, after tasting it, then I'm gonna put some more, just a little bit more oil. A little bit more salt. Yeah. It should do the job. And then I'm going to put the pomegranate juice, some more black pepper, and salt. Yeah, and then we're good to go. Let me taste this. So guys, the salt and black pepper, you know, you use it to your, what makes you satisfied. Use it to your satisfaction. And yeah, looks good, guys. And let me taste it. And this is healthy. Kale is good for you, okay? If you prepare it like this way, you know, you massage it in with the oil, you won't, it's really good. Really good. You won't regret it. So guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey. It's optional. And some of this balsamic vinegar. Just a small drizzle. Toss it up. The onion is optional, you don't have to put the onion. With the corn and the pomegranate, I decided to put the onion. Okay, taste. It's good. I like the crunch from the corn and the pomegranate. So guys, I would just want to say that, you know, in all that we enjoyed, all the ice cream, the cake, we don't forget our salad, and this salad is a good salad to prepare if you want to detox, go on like a 7-day detox, or And yeah, kale, do your research on kale. It has more iron than beef and I think milk. Yeah, and yeah, there's a lot you can learn about the benefits of kale if you do your own research, because I might say this is it about kale and then you learn something else that, you know, that I never knew about. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys, okay? And share the video with family and friends, and please try this recipe. And you can omit whatever you want to omit, right? Okay, guys, let me taste the salad here for you to see. Look at it. Look how colorful it is. It's good. I love it. And the honey give off a nice citrus taste. Really is good. I like the fact that I'm biting on the pomegranate with the corn. Wow. This salad is good. Healthy. With a little shred of beet and carrot. You're biting on the kale and it is so soft, and you know, it doesn't taste coarse and awful. It tastes like something that is cooked. This is raw food. A good way to detox with a kale salad. Lots of iron. So guys, thanks for being here, and don't forget to share the video, okay? And give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Good. Really good. All done. Okay, guys, bye. This, guys, I could eat it like rice. It is so good. I'm telling you, it really tastes good. It's like I'm having rice.